how to rearrange window monitor display to flow from left to right. So you can see here at the moment it is not flowing correctly. So here's how you can rearrange it. So first on the display, right click and click on display settings. In display settings, what you want to do is click on identified, and here you can see it shows 1, 3 and number 2. So it's not in the correct order. You want 1, 2 and then 3. So what you want to do is I'm going to drag this one here and then simply just drag the one at the top here and rearrange it like this. Okay, so you want this one to go here. So still not correct, still not showing in the correct order. So tap on applied, and then once you tap on applied, I'll just finish with this one first. I'll minimize that. So here you can see now it flows in the correct directions. So once you need to once you make the changes, you need to click on applied, otherwise it won't work. So now you can see it goes from left to right, it flows correctly. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.